Welcome to this market overview of the amorphous alloy powder market. Advanced manufacturing is shifting toward high-performance metallic materials, and amorphous alloy powder is leading the transformation. In 2024, the global amorphous alloy powder market is valued at approximately USD 1.15 billion. The market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 6.8%, reaching nearly USD 1.85 billion by 2031, by 2031. Amorphous alloy powders, known for their high strength, corrosion resistance, and superior magnetic properties, are widely used in power transformers, automotive components, and 3D printed parts. Asia-Pacific dominates with over 45% market share, driven by large-scale manufacturing in China, Japan, and South Korea. North America accounts for roughly 25%, supported by aerospace and defense applications. Europe holds nearly 20% share, fueled by renewable energy and automotive electrification initiatives. Latin America and MEA remain emerging markets with infrastructure and industrial expansion driving gradual growth. Growth is powered by expansion in electric vehicle production, rising demand for energy-efficient transformers, adoption of powder, metallurgy, and additive manufacturing. However, high production costs and limited large-scale amorphous processing capacity remain key constraints. Bottom line, amorphous alloy powder is becoming a core material for next-gen manufacturing. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.